Okay? And you're pulling the shoulder. So it's not here. It's not also a leg, an arm drag wherein you have this. So this is where the shoulder clamp is. Okay? From the opposite hand going here, okay? You grab your bicep and it's here. So that's the clamp. A shoulder crunch is the opposite. So same side, my left hand will hold his right hand here and do a cable grip. So how do you know which side you're going? So you can have like this, wherein the blade here will really crunch the shoulder here. Kaya siya tinawag na shoulder crunch. From here. So you're pulling this part. But the problem with that is my right hand will be quite twisted sa wrist here. You see, if I pull his shoulder here, my arm will be quite twisted. And if you're not used to wrist locks, like me, okay, it's kind of painful or not a natural position. So I prefer it the other way. It's like this. So my tendency is to pull this shoulder going like this. And this one is really pulling. So I have more strength pulling like this. Rather than like this, it's like my wrist is really twisted from this. So I tend to do it like this. Okay? Now, so again, difference, this is the clamp. This is the crunch from here. Okay? So, because if you're just doing it like this, they can easily pull that. See? So your pull should be a lot like really bending this part. So see, when you pull it right down. So see, it's a lot difficult if you're really crunching the shoulder from here. Okay? So it's if you're not really pulling your opponent, if you're like just doing this, they're easily pulling their shoulders. Okay? It's like really twisting their body and they can pull the shoulders. So you have this. Okay? Again, cable, no thumbs. It's like this. You're doing this. Okay? Now, option A, like I said, you do a kimura first. So from here, you see this arm? That is where you will attack. Cannot attack this hand because you're too far from here. Okay? So from here, I shift, go over this. Now from this, I have the hand. Grip your wrist. Okay? Again, thumbs out if you like. Thumbs in, sorry. Here, grip, no thumbs. If you like. You can still do this, but I'm really uncomfortable doing this. But this can also work. I prefer doing this. Okay? Now, I need to butt scoot. I need to shrimp out from here. So, once you have this, continue moving outside, one at a time. Okay? Maintain this leg. Because if you don't maintain this, he will move his body going there. Okay? So, you lost the position. So, from here, just maintain this. Okay? Then, outside, and then push forward. Okay? Huwag niyong ibigla. Don't push it. Okay? Again, one last time. Just go for this side kasi walang tao dito so you can see. Okay? Pull, hands out, squeeze. Put it in, cable grip. Again, how would you know? Again, I'm not very peculiar. This is based on my experience. It's difficult for me to do this because it will twist my wrist here. So I prefer the one inserting to be on the lower side. So it's here. So it's like really crunching the shoulder here. Pulling him down. Okay? And then open. I have this inside. Now hold. Grip. Okay? Close. And then push. Okay? From here, again, you have that kimura, right? Option from here. You have that. And he knows you're about to have that kimura. So he straightens his arm like this. Okay? Allow it. allow it, but put it in your ear like this, and then continue from here. You still have that gable, adjust, and you have the inverted armbar. So
Good.
I will
Smell
take
like
the
food.
other side. You can see from there. So I have this open. You have this. Grab the kimura from here. Okay. So I adjust. I nearly have the kimura. It's so strong. So I allow him to have that drop. You see the neck. Sorry, the ear. My ear traps the shoulder. Then I adjust. Same gable grip. You can still have either position if you like. But from here, I make sure I don't leave this arm. Sorry, this wrist here on my neck. So I open, adjust, and then from here, I find the elbow from here. See, the hand is still on my neck. Okay, as much as possible, I sort of have this telephone from here, and just pull this down. Okay, be careful because really there's so much tension here. So I'm leaving this foot here. You can still have this closed if you like, but I prefer like this. You can have this. Okay, so he cannot move going there. Because the moment you're not pulling him, remember you can easily pull his finger, pull his arm. So this stops that motion from here. So again,
The color of nature.
your body should be sideways, not like this. Because if you are doing this, your belly, like mine, very big, is protecting the armbar. So it works in his favor. So you have to scoot out. Move your body outside. So there's a big space here. Okay? Now, that's the time. Just pull down. It's gonna be painful. Okay? So, you can have that. Or you can do it directly. You skip the kimura, you do it directly. So again, here, crunch, down. Okay? So you skip the kimura. Normally, the escape from kimura is just really stretching the arm, not doing this. Stretching it like this. Or you can roll. Of course, that's why my foot is over. Okay? From here, you can still do a belly down arm bar from here. Okay? Just grab this and put your foot here. And you can have an arm bar on you. Or you can invert him to another arm bar if you like rolling arm bar. During the time I'm doing this. Okay? From here. And remember guys, makita.
Ideally,
So, I'm pushing my
name
knee
ng
down,
shop
so you
is,
can see
Lady
there's a big
G
space
Davao.
here,
Yun yung Google
and my
pin ko
head
niya.
is really up.
Search up
So you see the tension from here and pushing this down, and
Lady G.
so this space helps the
Yes.
arm bar to work.
Lady G Davao.
Okay, so from here, usually, he will really try to pull his arm going inside. So isi-switch niya yan, papasok niya, going in. Ganito ang pasok, exit mo yan. Pag ganyan. So, ipasok mo bro, pag ganyan. Going in. From there. So, ganun. You will really pull his hand going in. Elbow going down. Like that. Okay? That's the exit there. So, even if I have this, he will fold, retract his arm, stretched arm, going inside. Here. That's his exit. Or escape from the inverted arm bar. So I will help him do that because I have an Americana. So remember, our start before was from Kimura, the inverted arm bar, and it's now ending as an Americana. Okay, so it's like a mousetrap. You see the correlation of the hand? Like this. So from here, he stretches his hand. He retracts his hand to defend. I trap this, I push it down. I push it, sasaktan si Joseph. So from here, this should be the ending. So he will trap his hand going inside. Although this is really painful, he will stretch mo ba? Try mo ma-stretch. Okay, I will push this down. And still doing the gable grip from here. And this is trap. You see, he cannot pull his elbow anymore because it's gonna hit my foot here inside. So there's no space. There's really no space for the exit there. And I will just pull this with my belly pushing forward. So please don't pull this because this is really painful. This is an Americana. Like this. Here. Like this. Okay, so again, here, he retracts his hand. I push it down and grab or table and push with my belly and just the American. Okay? Okay? So, you're pulling the arm crunch from here. Now, okay. So, I will use my elbow, it's like a pivot on his head here, to drive him going here, on this side. So, I'm really, sorry bro. I'm really pulling the arm here, but my direction is pulling here, but my elbow is going up. So I can hook this foot going there. So my direction is going to sweep here because of this hook. My right foot is hooking his thigh, lower thigh, here on this part. So I have this crunch here. I will drive with my head and hook. And I have this, I end with the mouth, I can end with an arm bar from here or whatever. But the point here is the sweep. Okay? If ever your opponent is quite heavy from here, okay, sometimes you can even push with this leg. So it's the same concept as scissor sweep, wherein you push the leg and you can drive your opponent with this elbow and pushing this foot. So one motion, push, and then drive here. So see, it's like a steering wheel. This goes down, this goes up. Okay? Here, this goes down, this goes up. So here. So again, here, you can hook this part, then push. And then, armbar or whatever. Okay, the other side, you have here. Your opponent knows there's two hooks here. Okay? So what he will do is put his head down from here. So there's no way for me to drive. There's no way for me to drive the head. It's too low. So what I will do, I will include his head. It's too low. So I will include his head here. But then, my sweep will go here instead of here. Because I'm already tucking the head. Okay? So again, he might base this. No problem. But usually, with the height of the leg, even if mag-base siya nito, it's too difficult for him to retain this base, this post. So I grab here, okay, I lift. I still have this. And using this, I can end with a beauty, or I can still have this. Okay, but again, retain the mounts, knee on the mats. Okay, you just clamp the head, then do the opposite direction. So remember, I have this crunch here. Okay, I will try to drive him going there. And usually, if I do this, he will step this foot up. Nakaganyan. So from here, you can see the entry sa ashi. From here, I can easily grab foot and have this. From there. Okay? So, again, lots of leg locks there, but I want you to see what will happen if he defends, because he knows he's about to get swept. So I have this. Usually, his tendency is to post this. He cannot post this hand. It's too far. So his option to post, again, I'm going to drive going there, right? And I have this hook going there. So he has this. Balik mo, bro. Okay, he has this, and I'm about to kick that. He's going to extend his foot there. So you see the extension here? Actually, I can, if he's too far, I can still have that. See? I lie down. So his defense, your defense, would really put your foot much closer here. So here, I have this. Still, malayo pa rin. Hindi nakinig si Coach Joseph. So I will just lie down. See? I can still sweep that. See? So your defense, lapit mo yung paa mo, bro. Bigay mo yung leg lang sa akin. So, again, yeah, that will work. Why? Because ang sweep kasi, it's going here. So, his foot is just there. So, if I go down, I pull him. Ang tendency is he cannot defend that side because his foot is too far. So, again, here, I hook, I push this. So, medyo malapit yan. It's going here, on this side. Ang push ko. So, again, from here, I just remove this hand and slide down. And I have this. And from here, I can kick, I can have a heel hook, everything.